Welcome to my CSS video. So in this particular video I'm going to talk about what is display grid and what is grid template areas, and how we can use display flags using with both grid and flags. Okay, so let's get started. So in this particular section I'm going to talk about how to make a web page like this. Okay, so in this section I have divided my class into div1, div2, div3 and div4. Okay, and here you can see that I have divided div2 and that is row 2 into two columns, that is div2 and div3, and this will the design that I'm going to make in my web page. Okay, so here with this diagram you can understand how I'm going to, through this diagram and through the coding, I will explain each and everything, and you will definitely get each and everything very easily. Okay, so let's get started. Okay, so I'm going to open my terminal window. Okay, I mistyped cmd and setting to CSS into tricks and dot, and it will open the my Visual Studio Code, and without wasting time I'm going to start. Okay, so home.html file, and just remove all the code here. Okay, design.css. Okay, just remove all the code here. Control S and Control S of here. Okay, so I'm going to load all the, first I'm going to load every file that I required. And here I'm going to link my CSS file to this link. The element equals to style, and href, that is we are going to link my CSS file, that is my CSS file name is design.css. Okay, so you can see here design CSS. Okay, so this will my, and let's say design it using html tag, and I'm going to hello world. So this is the most basic program that we will always write in most of the coding. So I'm going to divide it in body and background color should be green. Okay, as I have defined the background color green. Okay, so just open with live server. So here you can see the web page will look like. Okay, so it has background color green and it's breaking h1. Okay, so that means our CSS is working fine. Okay, just remove this, and now I'm going to divide it into most of the parts, like div like let's say web. Here I'm going to define web. Here where we are going to define, this is the web, whole web that okay, so this is the web. Okay, so this whole is the web, so I'm defining using div class dot web. Okay, dot web. Okay, now in this web I'm going to define my div class, that is dot div1 dot div2 for div2 dot div3 for div3 dot div4 for div4. Control S, so you can see all div4s. Just remove this dot web. I am going to define display grid or grid template column, that will be 30%, and auto means it will take all remaining percent, and this is the grid template rows, and it's going to take 40% auto, and let's give it also 40%. Okay, so so it's already been divided into two parts. Okay, you can see here this div1. Oh fuck, div1. Okay, this is div2, div3 and div4. Okay, that is second row div2, div3, first row div1 and third row div4. Okay, so I'm going to divide it like this. So coming to the first one, dot div1. So I'm firstly we have to provide grid template area, that will be div1 1 div2 div3 and div4 div4. So here I have used div2 and div3 because in the second row, as you can see, in the second row we have two columns, therefore I've used two rows here. Okay, so two columns here, that div2 and div3, and here names same name convention because we have single column, we have single rows, no division of columns. Okay, so great, grid area will be my div1 and background color will be green. Okay, now you can see it's already formatted just by writing some simple commands. Now on div2 background color, I'm going to provide aqua and what other thing that has a grid area, that is div2. Okay, aqua and div2. Okay, so it has taken the color, and now div dot div3 and it is div3. So here I'm going to make my grid area will be div3 and background color will be, let's provide it which color should look good in this blue. So this will be div3. Now coming to div4, div4 background color will be, let's make it black because it's footer and footer should be black itself. No, black is not good colors. Let's make it something special. Red. You always like red. Display grid dash area will be my div4 now. Okay, so it had been designed. Okay, so providing the margin here. Okay, so I will take the body and provide the margin to be 0, margin 0, so it will stick. Okay, so up to here it is all completed. So now coming to providing it height and width. So for the div1 I'm going to provide something like okay, for this I have to use something called let's see, am I able to define the two classes here, dot class web, and for flex also I will define web1. Okay, let's saving it, and if I use dot web1 here also, dot web1 display flex. Okay, so it have used display flex, just thrown all the to here, so it is not right way to define each and everything to here. Okay, so just remove this and I'm removing this from here. Now coming to providing the, let's provide the padding, so you can design it the way 12 pixel, and for justifying content. Okay, we have to provide to justify content. So in the justify content, so we have to use display flags. So let's make it div 1a, control s, or div 1a, and display flags. It won't affect it. Okay, so it's fine. And align item center. And in when we write display flags, it always take the row wise wrap. That is, it always takes flex wrap, row wrap. It always take the row wrap. Okay, if we provide it or not. And if you want to change the direction, that we flex direction. If we change it to column, so you can see the magic that uh, it is when it is in the row wise, this is taken to be, it is going cross axis. Now you can see if I provide column here, the center will be coming here. Okay, so it will be main axis, it will go through main axis. So just see the beauty of this. Now it's gone here. That is what we provide, that align items works in different flags in different way. Okay, so here just use display flags. Why to go so much complex? And here I'm going to justify content. Justify content center. Using justify content, we will get my, I will get my this. Okay, so it is doing that here. Okay, coming to div 2. Okay, coming to div 2, I am going to make it giving it a height of 100 px, not 100 px. Let's provide a height of 400 px. It's and one more thing, if you provide, you wanted to header to be fixed upside. Okay, so you want your header to fix upside, or either you scroll your web page up and down, so you can just write position to be fixed. Now you will see something special, that is, either you move up and down, it will always fix. That you can see div1 is fixed. And you can provide control X. If you provide it here, let's see what is going to happen. Same cheese, same thing. Cheese and burger are very special things. Okay, so in this video, why I don't know why I have said cheese. Yes, cheers. That is cheers. Okay, you've got something. Okay, so let's save it. And you've got coming to next part, that is let's make it some small, because I'm not getting the whole window. 300 pixel will be, well, it is will write 300 pixel. Okay, well, it is right. So coming to this part, I have made this, until what I have done. Okay, so I have to divide into equal parts. Okay, so just coming, because it is not equal, I am going to provide it as I will provide it 45%. Now it will be equal. Okay, so now it seems to be equal. Okay, so now I want to have two boxes inside it. Okay, so for these two boxes, I'm going to divide in div 2 and div 3. I need to have one box. Okay, so coming to div 2, just remove this, and I'm going dot box a. Okay, what naming convention I have used, that is a and b. You can see a and b, so let's back to a for this. I am side box. Let's write this like this, and it will look so cool here. Okay, so coming to second part, that is div and be if I am side box. So it will well said that I am a side box. Okay, so there is a conflict between side box item. We can write it like I am main box. So this is main box and this is side box. Okay, so let's design it, because these boxes are in div. You can see here div 3 we have designed a box that is b. Okay, so let's design these two boxes also. Dot a and dot b. Dot a, we can define a box over here. So what I can write, background color green, uh, green, and padding. I have to provide a lots of padding here, that is 20 px. Okay, so you can see the box here. Okay, I have to just minimize this box so you can see the. Okay, so where I have provided, I think so I have provided div 1. No, I am side box. Okay, so this I brought the green color and the green color was of the upper side, so I will provide it something. No, red also not. Let's provide it by low. 20 px padding is not suitable. Okay, so I will provide it 300 px. Let's see what's happened. Okay, so it's not convenient that we provide 300 pixel here, so let's make it a little bit smaller. Height of 30 px and width of 40 px, and we will make it desirable. Okay, auto. Okay, so let's provide some padding. So for padding, we can use some tricks like I will show you one trick how to use padding in more efficient way. Okay, so first for padding we are going to top. For top padding I'm going to provide it 10 px, 20 px, not let's put 30 px. For right side padding, let's leave it 30 px. For bottom side padding, and it's not going bottom, and that is 0 px, not 0 px. Let's provide 40 px. And for left side padding I'm also going to provide it 50 px. Okay, so just save it. Okay, so okay, so the only thing I was missing is that I have to provide this padding in div 2. So where is div 2 mine? Oh, here it is. Okay, so I will provide padding here, and you will see that box is made. My desired box has been designed. Let's make it more beautiful. Provide it height and width of let's provide it height first. Height will be 150 px. Okay, it will be larger. Okay, so it's looking good. Now in a similar fashion for the B also, I'm going to copy this and just change something a little bit. Control C, Control V, and I'm going to type B here. Okay, you can see the box here, and just padding. For the padding also, I'm going to copy the padding here from here, padding, and pasting in div 3. Okay, so you can see I have designed. It's not looking so much beautiful, but if you have lots of time, so you can design it in the specific way that you wanted to design. Okay, so this is the most I have designed it most out of it, and you can also design it. Okay, so this is the all about Flexbox and how to use it. Okay, so if you like this video, give a thumbs up, and thank you.